In this video, we will explain how to change the code of the Rhino Lock gym padlock. If setting the code for the first time, set the default code of 0000. Alternatively, if you are changing the existing code, set your current code. It's important to note that this is the window in which the code should be set. With 0000 or your existing code set, raise the shackle, turn through 90 degrees, push down, and then turn through another 90 degrees. You can see here there's a gap in which to push the shackle down. Once again, through 90, push down, and then rotate a further 90 degrees. This places the padlock in the reset mode, and it's now possible to set a new code. If we set 1, 2, 3, 4, we then turn the shackle back through 90 degrees, up and through 90 degrees again. The new code 1, 2, 3, 4 has now been set.